students, welcome back to our channel Study Shastra. Today we are going to cover class 12 topic National Income Aggregates, Circular Flow of Income. So let's briefly understand this. Students, circular flow of income, as its name easily says, that circular, that is a flow which is in going with a circular form. So it refers to a cycle of generation in the income in the production process. When there was a production of some goods and services, they will be sold in the market and this generates some income. Secondly, that income which is generated is distributed among some factors of production. What are our factor of production is? Our factor of production are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So the distribution of income which is generated by the production process is distributed among factor of production, and then that distributed income will be circulated from households to firms in the form of consumption expenditure on goods and services produced by them. As if we have to consume something, we have to buy them. In order to buy them, we have to pay us some amount of income as their pricing. Now we will study about the phases of circular flow of income. First phase of circular flow of income is generation of income. In this phase, firms produce goods and services with the help of factor services. Second phases are distribution among factors of production and distribution of income. Basically, this is a part of distribution of income. So, this phase involves flow of factor income from firms to households in the form of rent, wages, interest and profits. And the third phase is, as we are talking about circulation of income from households to firms, so third phase is the expenditure phase. In this phase, income services by the factor of production is spent on the goods and services produced by them. And as they are interrelated, when there was a generation of income, then there is a distribution of income which leads to disposition of the income, that is an expenditure. Now we will study about what is real flow and what is money flow. Students, real flow basically refers to the flow of goods and services from households to the firms, as households to the firm give some amount of service or some amount of money to get some goods and services, and in real terms we are talking about some services, not that amount of monetary term. In money flow we are talking about that monetary term, that household will give consumption expenditure, that is the pricing of that good, to the firms, and in return they will receive some factor payments. So this is about real flow and money flow. Now let's study about stock and flow. So students, as we are talking about stock and flow, stock is a variable which is measured over a particular point of time, and flow, it is a variable which is measured over a period of time. If I say that 31st January 2021, so this is our stock variable, as I am talking about a particular talk of time. But if I say that January 2021, then it is a variable which is measured over a particular point of time. Stock is a static variable, whereas flow is a dynamic concept, and stock doesn't have any kind of time dimensions, but flow has some kinds of time dimensions in it. And this is all about our circular flow of income. Now we will study circular flow in two-sector model. So students, if we are studying about circular flow of income in two-sector economy, we have to use only two sectors, that is first our household sector and second is our firm, and there is no government intervention or foreign sector, and the outer loop here shows our real flow and our inner loop shows money flow. Household supplies factor services to firms, and in return they will get some goods and services from firms. Similarly, household receives factor income or factor payments from firms, and for that they have to give some consumption expenditure to the firms. This is our circular flow of income into sector economy. I hope you studied this briefly, the circular flow of income topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.